1,650,000,000 shillings, which has been given out to farmers as cash prizes. I need to let you know that all this money, has been used by the farmers to acquire technologies that have actually done a lot of improvement on their farms. So these people have improved their farming processes, and I'm sure that some of you who came to the Harvest Money Expo last month in Kololo, we had some of the farmers exhibiting, some of the best farmers, and you would have noticed that the technology that they acquire and the equipment has actually turned around a lot of their enterprises. So once again, to all of you, the Vision Group, the annual value that we give to this competition in terms of media space,